Hi YouTubers, so I found this absolutely fantastic retro game by Langford Productions, and I've seen a few questions on the forum as to how to download it and install it on your Mac. So here we are, langfordproductions.com, and there's a little Apple icon for this game. So click download, we'll see here the project is starting to download. It's about 200 odd megs. Now then, once it's finished downloading, it may automatically unzip. It depends on how you've configured Safari or your favourite web browser. I tend not to use Chrome for security reasons, but that's a different question. Anyway, so we have here project ZXT3. Important README. It says must put in the applications folder. Needs to redefine keys. Thanks to Jeremy Wood. Blah blah blah. And we've got project ZT3. It's the SP executable that needs to go into your applications folder. So I'm going to drag and drop into applications. Go to applications, and there you'll see SP. Right click for the first time, and then click open. And then we'll get a warning message, click open, and here we go. Simple as that. Enjoy the game.